probably seen these America's Got Talent videos. Have you ever stumbled upon those jaw-dropping America's Got Talent videos where a performer turns into a tiger, a cycle boy turns into a horse, or Simon Cowell is left speechless by some mind-bending magic trick? And then you're left wondering, is this even real? It's not. These are AI-powered creations, and guess what? They're racking up millions. No, scratch that. Hundreds of millions of views online. But here's the kicker. Creating videos like these isn't rocket science. You don't need a computer or laptop for these videos. All you need is a mobile, free tools, and a sprinkle of creativity. You can also check the monetization status of these type of channels. These channels are fully monetized and making thousands of dollars. In today's video, I'm spilling the tea on how you can create your own viral AGT-style shorts that could take the internet by storm. No tricks, no gimmicks, just pure entertainment. Ready? Let's dive in. Before we jump into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to understand why these videos work. They combine drama, suspense, and a touch of the surreal. Three things that hook viewers instantly. Think about it. A performer walks on stage, all eyes are on them, and then bam! Something utterly unbelievable happens. That's what makes these videos so addictive. And here's the best part. You're not just creating a video. You're crafting an experience, an illusion so convincing that it blurs the line between reality and AI magic. You'll need two things: reaction clips of the judges and audience. These are your real elements. Find dramatic moments like Simon's jaw-dropping or the audience screaming. Keep them short for fair use. An idea for your AI performer. Picture something outrageous, a man who turns into a dog or a dancer who becomes a flock of birds. Head over to ChatGPT for this. Type in a prompt like, I want to create a performer AI video of America's Got Talent. I need 3 prompts, one for a photo of the performer, one for a video of the performer standing on stage, and one for the transformation scene where he turns into a dog. ChatGPT will spit out detailed prompts. Once you've got your concept, it's time to bring it to life. Use free tools like Glyph or ideogram.ai to generate the visuals. Start with a still image of your performer. A video clip of them standing on stage, and finally, their transformation moment. Remember, these don't need to be perfect. They just need to spark a curiosity. Open up your video editor, CapCut, DaVinci Resolve, or anything you're comfortable with. Assemble your clips. Start with a reaction shot to set the stage. Add your performer's entrance and build anticipation. Hit them with the transformation, the big moment. Finish with over-the-top reactions and sound effects to drive the drama home. And boom, you've got yourself a viral masterpiece. Now here's where the magic happens, the little tweaks that turn a good video into a great one. Use titles that spark curiosity. What just happened on AGT? AI Magic Explained. Add sound effects that amplify the wow factor. Think roars, gasps, or even dramatic silence. And don't skimp on hashtags. Try AGT Magic, AI art, or viral videos. So there you have it, your complete guide to creating viral AGT-inspired videos using AI. Simple, fun, and incredibly rewarding. If you're ready to give it a shot, drop a comment below saying, I'm in. Oh, and one more thing, this is just the beginning. In my next video, I'm diving into advanced tricks to make your videos even more realistic. Make sure to subscribe and hit that bell icon so you don't miss it. Now go out there and make something incredible. See you in the next one.